Hello and welcome to another HRS training video. Today we are going to cover schedules. To build schedules, you need a few things in your system already created. The first thing you'll need is a few devices to control. The next thing is a couple macros. So for this example, we've made an off and an on macro. Once you have those, click on the schedules option. You'll notice you have two columns here. The first is to add a schedule, so you can name it, pick the days that you want it to execute. The second is for the events. So we'll click edit here. Let's say this is morning. And we want this to execute, let's say Monday through Friday. And we'll add an event. And let's call this on. And we'll do it at 8:30 in the morning. And we'll select our on macro from the drop down and click save. And if we want to add a night schedule, we'll hit night. Same thing, we'll do Monday through Friday. And we will add an event, and this will be off. And we'll make it later in the day. And we'll pick the off for the time. So now that you have both of these set up, just click apply all. It'll reload your system for you, and if you click back on schedule, you notice it now shows one event for the morning, one event for the night. Now you can add multiple events into each one of those and have them executed at different times. So your morning schedule may execute 4 different events that get triggered at one at 8:30, one at 9 a.m., one at 9:30, 10, whatever you'd like. We'll clear these out. Another way to check everything is if you click on your calendar schedule, you'll notice that there's a morning and night now for every single day. And if you notice there's a red X, if you hit that X, it'll cross it out and give you a green option, which will mean that you're canceling that event from happening that day at that time. The rest will still continue as normal, and you can turn it back on as well by clicking the green refresh. Another nice feature of our schedule is the solar schedule. So you can enter your longitude and latitude coordinates, and based off of those coordinates, the times for each of these events will update, and it'll stay updated as the year goes. And then you can adjust by an offset of minutes, what days, and then you again select which macros you want to execute at that time frame. The other nice option that we have that you'll notice for the users is you can create a calendar user. So if you click on the system, you'll notice it has the view calendar option, and they can go here and they can cancel out schedules, turn them back on, drag and drop different ones to happen, and then save those changes once they're done. So that way the end user doesn't need to get into the system part and change macros or do anything. They can simply see a calendar view, make the changes they need, and be done. That about covers the scheduling features. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email us at support@hrscontrol.com.